Hello my friends. Today I'm gonna tell you about some tricks in Granny Legacy. There are few things that you can do. One is that closet thingy, and one that door thingy. Like you can just simply open, and you have to like just do this, and Granny, and you will like you can do this glitch to escape from Granny, or even you can do this like you can go through that wall like this. You can go through, so you don't have to open and do like this. You just simply have to like you see. And for this closet thingy, you just have to come here, and right before you are falling, you just have to close it like this. Wait, I'm gonna tell you. Go like this, open this, and then like this. So the only thing matter is that how you do that. Like sometimes I like Granny's chasing me. I close this door, and then I come here. And sometimes I usually choke here. Like I can't even open. I opened very late, and then Granny instantly hit me like that. Or sometimes I just fall. So the only way you practice this is just off Granny and Grandpa, so that you can like go and use these tricks. I'm failing here, but and my English is not very good. So if my grammar is not good, please do not judge me. Um, and it's a preset for, so like, and just wait a minute. I will escape, and then I will tell you everything. Nahi, when you are going like this, you just don't have to open. Matlab, you just don't have to go like this. If you grab, I for example, I grab a hammer from here, and then I like in this spot I go, and I did this. And for some reasons you don't have to do this closet thingy. You just have to go like like the stairs, because that thing is easy on a emulator, but I'm a mobile player, so I can do that. And you have to know about presets that you can easily escape from Granny Legacy. Like I know this preset, I played million times. Wait, let me escape. So I will like explain you. In hard mode I will tell you how to do that door thingy, closet thingy, and other things. Oh, paddle of key. So in the next game I'm gonna tell you that whoa, I escaped. So the next thing I'm gonna tell you is how to do a door thingy, like how to do that. um So the only way you practice is that you have to like off like you see here grandpa is off, and you see here granny is off. So you have to practice like that. I'm gonna put in hard mode, so that you can easily understand. And I'm gonna escape in hard mode, Granny version 1 preset 4. See. And sorry for background, guys. um Usually my English is not very good, and the background sound, sorry for that. I'm gonna escape, and I'm gonna show you what you have to do. Right. First of all, I can gather things like that, and just see, Granny is here. He is coming, and I close the door, and then I open that door, and I like see. I I just tricked Granny, and I open, and that did like this. So the only reason you can do this is by you have to open door, not Granny. Because if Granny opens a door, she will like attack you. देखो, see, if I'm so late here, Granny is above me. Like if I like literally do that, she will hit me. So I literally can't. See, I'm gonna give you tutorials of some. Like if Granny is chasing me, wait, I'm gonna tell. So for your like you have for easy for you is that you have to do like this and do. And if you can't do that, for your information, you have to open the door and then go like this, and then but if you late, you will get an hit. If you guys want me to translate in Urdu, I can. आई एम ट्रांसलेटिंग इन उर्दू. तो इसको करने के लिए हमें ना हमें पहले दरवाज़ा खोलना होता है. यहाँ पे है, अगर ग्रैनी नीचे से ऊपर आई और हमने दरवाज़ा बंद करा तो हमें कोने में आना है, क्योंकि अगर हम इधर ही चिपक के रहेंगे तो फिर ग्रैनी हमें हिट कर सकती है. तो हमें पहले दरवाज़ा खोलना है इस साइड से, फिर इधर जाना है. ग्रैनी इस चीज़ से अगर आगे आई, मतलब यहाँ तक इसका पैर आया, आपको निकल जाना है. अंडरस्टैंड? Now I'm gonna escape. See, I choked. So if you are late at opening the closet, you will get an hit. And that's my problem. I can't even do like, it's like 60% chances that I can do that thing. Even on mobile, I'm doing better. So yeah. Like you just for easy for you is that you already have to open, like for your easy you already open, like you have to open the closet earlier and then do that thing. If you are having a problem to do that thing, or just already open that closet and then do that trick. And guys, I'm lying here. Wait, let me escape. So for your easy, just open this, and then you can do that trick now. Like see, Granny is coming. And the trick I'm gonna tell you is Granny is coming, and I like do this and do that. See, if I open that closet, I'm gonna die. But I survived because I already opened that. So that's why let me just escape. Oh my god. Granny. What gonna do? Oh, Granny. Yeah. And for some reasons you can like I'm gonna tell you one more thing before escaping. I'm gonna tell you one more thing. If Granny chases, if you want to go down, just close that, open that door, and then go down. And for some reasons, you can do this. If you somehow manages to hide, Granny won't see you. Like Granny won't see you. If you are down and Granny is not here, you can simply go up by using that trick. You can simply do that thing before going up. Like you can do this. Do you guys remember the here is something that you can like break? So you have to drop the thing right below that, like this. And when you are in this position, like in this drum, Granny won't see you, and and you can easily go up. And beware with the traps. Granny see. For your easy, open that closet up already, so that when you go up and when you do that door thingy, you have to open first and then do. See, I escaped. So if you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe. Next time I will improve my English and also improve my mic quality. Goodbye.